Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in SketchUp 2021 for beginners. I am architect Sonurai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how we can insert doors and windows from external source into a SketchUp model. In the previous tutorial, I taught you how we can model doors and windows, simple shapes in SketchUp. So you can refer my previous tutorials, and in this tutorial, we'll see how we can insert directly from external source doors and windows. So I'm going to my windows here, and I will go to 3D warehouse, and now I will look for window here, and we'll look for suitable window. So now I'm going to download this window here, and it is asking load this directly into your SketchUp model. So I want to directly load into my SketchUp model because I am working. So I will select yes. If you want to save to your folder, you can select no. So I want to directly load this, and now I am going to rotate this, and I will go to camera view here, and I will go to standard and top view, and will rotate this. So I'm going to use rotate tool here, and now I'm going to move this window. So I will use move here, and I will move it to center here, and can adjust this, and now we can scale this after this, and we'll see whether it is scalable or not. I'm going to move this little bit to right hand side. So now I'm going to use a scale command and see if we are able to scale. So now we are able to scale. So I'm going to move this till it gets fit, and now I will use this one, central one, this dot here, and we'll scale this. So now you can see it is perfectly inserted into this opening, and likewise you can insert windows from external source, and you can move and scale. So now next I'm going to insert a door. So and I'm going to my window here, and I will go to 3D warehouse, and I will look for door here, and we'll search for simple doors. So I'm going to insert this generic door here, and I will load this directly into my SketchUp model, and you can see we can rotate this using rotate tool here, and I will use move tool. So now you can see we are required to adjust it with the scale command. So I'm going to select this, and I will drag this downwards here. Try to select this midpoint, and now I will see. So little opening is there. So we'll move this. So now it is perfectly inserted. So this is the process of how to insert doors and windows in SketchUp. So this was the tutorial for the today's session. In the next session, I will come with some more interesting topics in SketchUp. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.